Welcome back to the Plays with Cars YouTube channel, another episode of Miniatures Mondays. So this is our Matchbox Porsche we spent last week detailing, and this is a fresh out of the box Hot Wheels Audi Ur-Quattro, just a little Sharpie on the taillights, otherwise out of the box. You could see I made some windshield wiper streaks out of masking tape. Porsches have kind of funky windshield wipers, that's why the shape is different on them. And I've got them outside on this helping hands thing, and the reason is I'm going to show you how to now make them actual rally cars with a little bit of spray paint to make them dusty. So I'm going to hand the camera off to my lovely assistant because I need two hands. Might want to back up a bit because I'm spraying these from far away. Alright, so the trick is when you're painting something for real, you're kind of close and you get full coverage. When you're dusting, you're going to be really far back. And you want to literally let the overspray hit the cars. You see how it's speckling on the nose of the cars there? And so you can control how dirty or clean you want your cars to look by how many layers you put on. And the reason why they're up in the air like that is rally cars get dirty from the bottom up. And so you kind of want to spray from below and let it naturally spray over the car. The roofs are going to stay fairly clean. So when it comes to this kind of detailing, a little bit goes a long way. You'll see after these dry, when I peel the masking off, just how much dirt, quote unquote, that added. And especially when you put them inside on the shelf when they're up against all the other clean Hot Wheels, you can really get a good appreciation for it. But this is just satin almond. You use any old brand of spray paint will do, but you do want a satin, and for this is like sand or dirt. You want a nice light tan color, and obviously you can go different colors for different kind of rally cars. Alright, let me peel the... And check that out. So that makes it look like it's had the windshield wipers going, because obviously the rally drivers would do that to keep the windshields clear, even in just dusty conditions. Look at that. So the nice thing about doing overspray and satin is it's pretty much dry as soon as you spray it. You can see just how dirty we got the Porsche on the side here. And that is how you add a little bit of extra detail to your rally cars so that they look extra authentic up on your shelf. Until next time.